Hello everyone, welcome back on new course. I am Ramkesh Singh, Unity game developer, YouTuber and blogger. So I am very excited on my new course. Basically, I got a lots of questions related to Git. So I decided to create a Git course. Basically, who can join this course? Preferably, I will cover mostly related to Unity. I will show everything. But the Git concept is same for everywhere. Like you can use any software, Android Studio or any development thing. So Git concept will be same, but here I will use the Unity because I am the senior Unity developer. So I thought to create so that artists, developers don't face any issue. What we are going to cover and who I am teach you. There will be lots of concept that will be related to Git, and Git concept is everywhere is same. Just here I am going to use the Unity, and it really not matter which Unity version you are going to use. So you have to understand the concept as well as you have to just do what I am going to do, what I am going to tell you. Any 3D artist, 2D artist or any level designer who is working, they can join this course. And any person who want to manage the project properly, so there are lots of people, they really confuse how branch works, how we merge them, will get much more clarity on it, how you are going to manage your project. Git is basically used for backup the project. You are going to backup like something happened with your system, and if you have not uploaded on the Git, you have not used the Git, so your project will be going in the trash. So Git is a very useful for backupping your project. You love the version control. Like let's suppose you have original project, and if you are working something or some feature, and due to that your project stop working, you got any errors, so at that time version control play a very important role. By using the Git, you can do the version controlling where anything goes wrong, so you have the backup in another branch. I will also share with you that how you can follow this thing and what are the standard way to do those things. So don't worry about it, you are going to learn this thing, and this course will be all time all rounder. So whenever you are going to join this course, so that will be beneficial for you. So basically, yeah, if you know the Git, so it really not matter in the Unity, you can use the easily. These are the just software, but concept will be always same. And earlier it was only the command prompt thing. Like if somebody know the commanding stuff, like you just type the command and then you have remember the command, so you were able to perform the Git. But now scenario is that Git you can use by using the graphical user interface. It means that you are getting a software where you can utilize the UI to perform your Git stuff. But if you know the basic the command prompts thing, so that will be okay. And I love the both way. Basically most of time I perform my Git thing by using the command prompts, but in some cases I use the GUI stuff. So GUI stuff is for everyone, but if you are not able to remember those commands, but if you are remembered, so that is also a very great thing, because you will be feel much more confident in that. And who I am the senior Unity developer who have working experience of 7+ year, and currently I am working in the XR development. So if you are a Unity developer or if you are any beginner who want to learn the XR thing, so you can join my another course. And also what I do, I love teaching from my 5th class. So basically in the 5th class I was teaching my below class, and when I got opportunity, I know that we can create tutorials for YouTube, so I started working on the YouTube. I think 3 to 5 months I started working on the Udemy.